Hi kids, how are you? Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn uppercase alphabets and some numbers. Okay, let's find some color names. Yellow color, orange color, white color, red color, blue color, green color. Let's start the video. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. Let's learn some numbers, okay? Peach color, blue color, yellow color, green color, grey color, marigold color. Let's continue the video. One, when you won. Two, TWO2. Three, THREE, 3. Four, FOUR, 4. Five, FIVE, 5. Six, SIX, 6. Okay kids. A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay kids, please like my video. Like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye kids.